connection between new and legacy electrodes. Corresponding part numbers on the electrodes. Insert the water tube and push it downwards. Notice the length of legacy electrode. Prior to using the electrode tool, the electrode can be installed by hand and rotated to engage or disengage the lock. Notice the length of new version electrode. The electrode would be harder to install by hand or easy to rotate to engage or disengage the lock. Therefore, it is important to use the electrode tool and apply inward pressure to ensure the electrode is securely locked in place. As outlined in the XPR manual instructions, listen for a distinct clicking sound when tightening the electrode to the locked position. Key takeaway: new electrodes. Improve reliability, backwards compatible. Ranging from 3A to 300 amp. Additional guide on removal for the electrode using the tool 10,080,574. Using tool 10,080,574 and the center slot, apply pressure to grip the tip of the electrode, then rotate the tool to disengage and remove it. The end. Thank you for watching.